Hello guys, in this video we will see how we can easily run a Python program on Visual Studio Code. So it's very easy. At first you need to install Visual Studio Code and Python on your Windows 10 operating system. So we already installed Python and Visual Studio Code. So we have added the link in the description so that you can easily install both of them on your Windows 10 operating system. After installing you can check that whether you have successfully installed Python or not. Let's check. Go to start, type cmd, right click, run as administrator. Now write python hyphen version and press enter. Now you can see we have successfully installed Python. Now let's open Visual Studio Code. Go to start, type Visual Studio Code. On typing, the following is visible. Click on it to open. Now here, click on no folders open, add a folder. Let's say we are creating a folder on desktop. My projects, I'll double click. Path is set, click on add. Now we have added a folder, as you can see. Now let's add a file, right click, new file. Here let's set the name to omit.py. So here you can see the logo is visible. That means this is our Python file under the folder my projects. Now you can see on saving the file, on the bottom you can see, do you want to install the recommended extension for Python? You need to click on install. So guys, you can see installed. This extension is enabled globally, so we have successfully installed it. You can close this. Now before moving further, what we can do, we can also install an extension. Type code runner, click on it, install. It is now installed. What is the usage? Now you can easily run your code. Here you can see, on right click the text editor, you will be able to run your code. So it will make your work easier. I'll close this. Let's click here, and here is our Python code. Now we will print something in Python. Print my first Python program. Close the bracket. Now you can see the font is really less. The font is not so much visible. So go to file, preferences, settings, click on text editor, font 14. We can change it to, let's say, 22. Now changes are saved, so it's fine. I'll click on close. You can see the font is now visible. Now what we need to do, we need to just click on write, because we installed the extension code runner, if you remember. I'll click on write and run code. Now on clicking write, it is visible because we installed the extension code runner. Click on it. Now what we need to do, go to the run and debug. Here select the Python file. Here you can see option is visible. You need to select a Python interpreter. I'll click on it. Here my projects. Here is the path. That's it. Now click on write again. Run code. Now here you can see our output is visible. My first Python program. So we have successfully run it. Now let's write another line. It automatically got saved. I'll right click and run code. Now here you can see my first Python program and thank you, both are visible. So we easily ran Python program on Visual Studio Code. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily install Python extensions on Visual Studio Code and run Python program on Visual Studio Code. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please subscribe to our channel.